there was a gas stove, most people, especially in rural areas, used Pawon for cooking. Pawon comes from the Javanese language, namely the word awu, which means ash. The addition of the prefix pa and the suffix an indicates the place. In Javanese vocabulary there are two meanings of the word pawon, namely pawon, which means a stove for cooking and a separate part of the house from the main house, which functions as a kitchen. What is a wasp? What is meant by pawon, which means stove, is a traditional stove with a simple shape and uses wood as fuel. The traditional pawon is the development of a cooking method by boiling or frying previously directly on the ground. The soil is dug shallow and then laid on top of the wood for fuel. It is at means stall, still uses pawon to cook all kinds of food on her menu. Located in Kertosono, East Java, those of you who will stop by and shop are welcome. Because the father and mother who sell it are very kind and friendly. Of course all the prices are very affordable.